Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add Temu to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you want to go and log into your account. So after you have successfully logged into your account, now you can go ahead and access all the options right here in this home page, such as home, orders, products, and so on that can get started with managing your store. So this is what we want to do if we want to connect Temu to our store. What we're going to do is right here at the left side of the screen, we're going to find the apps section. So you're going to click on apps. Once you have clicked on apps, guys, this is going to open up this new menu where you can go ahead and search for apps that you want to use. If you want even better preview, you can click the add apps option right here, and then in this menu right here you can click Shopify App Store. So you can see we can open up the Shopify App Store right here, and this is now going to open up this Shopify App Store where you can get started researching all the apps that we need. So basically guys, right here at the top of the screen we have a search bar that we're going to use for searching Temu. So go ahead and type in Temu and now search for it, and this is now going to go ahead and give us a list of all the apps that are related to our search. And as you can see guys, here we have multiple apps we can use, and basically guys, the best one you can use is right here. It has the most stars. As you can see, you can even use dropshipment, doesn't matter, you can try them all out, but this one works specifically with Temu. So as you can see, AliExpress, Alibaba, and Temu Drop. So what you can do is install this application, click the install button, and this is going to enable you to connect your Temu account to your Shopify and import products to your store in one click, as you can see. So click the install button, and after clicking the install button, just follow the steps for finishing the installation. As you can see, it's going to get all this info, doesn't matter, click the install button, and once you have installed it, it's going to appear right here at the left side of the screen under the apps option. You can go ahead and get started opening it, connecting your account, and getting started. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.